This is Jules, VP of a ketchup company, about to use Grammarly to handle a PR issue. Ketchup's not relevant anymore, but I just had some on my fries. That's not good for sales. Oh, but Jules has an idea. And Grammarly's tone suggestions can help bring it to life. Even sparkly ketchup. Because a more confident tone can get your team on board and inspired. Just like that.
Did you see her email?
Already calling vendors.
Ah, our vendor. Now the team just needs to pick an edible glitter.
Moon sprinkles.
Robert wants that one.
Caviar confetti.
Tiffany wants this one, and neither can agree.
This is going nowhere.
Grammarly can frame your message to focus on the solution, to get a quick resolution. Caviar confetti it is. Okay, time to find the right audience. Now you know not that one.
Yuck.
Yeah, that one.
Yum.
Nice. Oh no, a project hiccup.
We need a squeezy bottle.
Good idea.
With a more diplomatic approach, your request will get a better response. Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Brilliant.
See? Problem solved. With Grammarly, getting the tone just right makes all the difference in your professional success. Click the blue button to download Grammarly today.